censor board's claim that the film violates Islamic values has no basis in fact, and rather is a reflection of the sexist notion that the normal bodily functions of women and girls are somehow dirty or impure.
First man set on the foot on the moon, like Neil Armstrong. The first man set foot on the Everest, Tenzing Hillary. The moment you say Arunachal Murugan, oh, the first man wore a sanitary pad in the world. I got the title now.
धूप नहीं रहती थी तो छाया में डर के मारे छिपा के सुखाती थी।
ना कोई मल्टी स्टोरी बंगला ना है कोई उड़न खटोला पर सुपर हीरो है ये बंगला वारे 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 बैडमैन बैडमैन ओ बैडमैन ओ ये बैडमैन।
While the film has been the subject of some controversy on the other side of the border, the fact that it has been produced with a star-studded cast and successfully released is reflective of a gradual positive change in attitudes within Indian society. On the other hand, the attitude of the Punjab Film Censor Board is disappointing to say the least, and reflects how far we on this side of the border still need to go in challenging the sexist idea that the normal bodily functions of women and girls are somehow shameful and impure.
Half hour man bleeding like woman, they straight dying.